Imagine a shopper asking an AI assistant for running shoes, finding the perfect pair, and checking out right inside the chat. AI is evolving into an autonomous transaction surface. To execute these purchases safely, the agent needs absolute certainty the product exists. It requires precise inventory levels, pricing, attributes, and availability. If an agent uses outdated data, transactions fail and customer trust breaks. Success relies entirely on the architectural pipeline feeding data into the AI. How do you accurately route your catalog to dozens of fragmented AI platforms? One approach is store sync, periodically pushing data outward. As this architectural overview shows, the alternative is a live API integration, built on real-time data pulling. You choose between adapting legacy feed infrastructure or adopting specialized middleware. This dictates how much internal engineering bandwidth goes toward AI commerce. It determines your long-term scalability and error rate across channels. Store Sync extends standard feed-based channels like Google Shopping. Merchants export CSV or XML feeds from their e-commerce platforms. As this pipeline details, those feeds are pushed to AI destinations on hourly schedules. But each destination has unique schema requirements, forcing complex feed mapping. Product updates, pricing changes, and inventory fluctuations require constant resync cycles. It works as a first-mover strategy, but operates as a heavy DIY solution, requiring ongoing oversight. The flaw in any scheduled data push is the real-time gap. This timeline charts how even hourly syncs create blind spots where system data drifts from actual inventory. These latency windows break flash sales and dynamic pricing adjustments. An AI agent might confidently recommend an item that sold out 30 minutes ago. This routes your customer to a failed checkout. Periodic catalog syncs cannot support high-velocity, dynamically priced commerce environments. Firmly.ai represents the live API alternative, prioritizing real-time connectivity. Integration requires a single connection directly to your live backend systems. In this flow diagram, when an AI requests data, Firmly.ai instantly fetches the live truth in milliseconds. Stock and dynamic pricing are always accurate. Agentic commerce faces protocol fragmentation, like MCP and OpenAI. The API handles translation, isolating you from building compliance layers. Through all this, you remain the merchant of record, controlling your payment provider. A live integration effectively nullifies the maintenance burden of agentic commerce. Aligning your infrastructure choice with your business model relies on strict operational parameters. According to this matrix, Store Sync remains viable for static catalogs, slow-moving inventory, and surplus engineering resources. But high inventory turnover, dynamic pricing, and lean teams demand a live API. This compounds in value as new AI channels launch. Zero engineering onboarding heavily outperforms building bespoke pipelines. As AI agents take over the purchase surface, real-time data accuracy is no longer an optimization. It is the baseline requirement for participation.